Guys, we finally made it to Mozambique. We are here, we're going fishing. I'm gonna hold the tiger by the tail. What do you say, my bruv?
Let's go fishing.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, well if you told me you were
There we go,
drowning,
boys.
I would not lend a hand. I've seen your face before, my
That's a
friend.
fish we're talking.
Hi, brother.
Know who I am. I was there and I saw what you did. I saw it with my own two eyes.
There we go.
You could wipe off that
Horses
grin.
in. We're in Mozambique. Got my first carp on. I was just tossing off for a nap here behind my rod. And it went beep, 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 beep.
Okay,
So let's see if we can get it in.
there we go, my bruv.
Okay. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. Yella. It's bending this AC7 12 foot to the max. To the max. Some beautiful condition carp here. Very strong. That was on a single squid pop up. Let's see what's shaking. In the net. There we go. Guys, we're at the beautiful Waterside Retreat in Mozambique. Look at the shoulders and the neck on this girl. What a beautiful carp. Plain pop-up, little squid, just one pop-up on a spinner rig. Seems to have done the magic. That's the story. There we go.
I'm ready. Guys, so we are here at the accommodation at Waterside Retreat. We've got some rods in, having dinner and another fish on, guys. Check this out. They were like, are we gonna film? And I'm like, let's see how it is. Saw the fish, we are filming. It's beautiful. All right, Dave, are you ready?
I'm ready, mate. I'm ready.
Okay, she's reading.
Go down there. Or?
Yeah, let's go that side. Guys, follow me. Yo, okay. It's a heavy fish, guys. Yo,
Yeah, it's a nice one.
beautiful. Out of the little pond in front of your accommodation, there is some good fish. You'll see.
Yo!
Another beautiful mirror. This is my mirror trip, guys. Yes, see. Yo, yo, yo. Oh. Yo, yo, yo. Guys, that's my second mirror for the day. It's insane. Yes, see. While you're having dinner, bah, there you go. Welcome to Mozambique.
Come.
That's a nice fish, mate.
Yo, guys, right in front of your accommodation, in this pond, there's carp like this, guys. Yes, see. Okay, let's put the rod down. Yo, Dave, look, you have a story to tell.
Well, where there's water, there's beautiful fish.
Especially here, guys, the strain of fish here is immaculate. This is like a proper leather. Yo, yes. All right, let's check it out. Dave, I'm gonna hold the fish. You're gonna tell the people what you guys are doing here, and while they admire this, you'll see. Bravi. Here's a tank. Holy crap.
Beautiful.
Oh, look at that.
So guys, for anyone who loves fishing, freshwater fishing particularly, Waterside Retreat here in Mozambique. We have specimen carp, tigers, tilapia, and all beautiful fish. And we were just literally having dinner right now. So this is right in front of your bedrooms in the garden. How's that for a fish?
Guys, and this is not even the main lakes, and you'll catch fish like this. This is a proper 9 kg crop. Hey, very lively. Okay, calm down, calm down. Enough. Well, I guess that's revenge, guys. Beautiful, guys. Check that fish. A leather, a proper leather. Look at that color, guys. Holy smokes. We're gonna get this girl back in the water, get the rods back in the water. She stole my tiger nut, my little crawl pop-up, so I have to redo the rig, but there we go. One more look, Dave. What an experience, man.
Wonderful.
There we
Waterside
go.
Retreat.
Here we go, guys.
Should we finish dinner?
Let's go finish dinner.
Okay.
Holy smokes.
Yo.
Okay. Another beauty. Ooh, lively.
Yes, that is a stunning carp, Dave. Yo.
Calma. Maybe just don't film this bit. Hey guys, well I've been watching the guys from Papua New Guinea catching, and I've been blanking. So I'm very happy to land this beautiful mirror on a double tiger nut with a bit of a running lead on a sort of multi-combi. And have a look at this beauty. It's very lively. Very lively. Another beautiful, stunning lucky mirror carp from Waterside Retreat here in Mozambique. And as we say, lekker fontein. What a fish, hey, beauty. Let's have a quick look on the other side. There we go. I will fix the damaged scale, but look at that for a beautiful carp. Beautiful strain of fish we have here. Lovely example of a male Mozambicanus tilapia. Got some very nice fish, but can you imagine this tilapia in here over 7 kgs? You have Nile tilapia over 7 kgs. This is a male Mozambicanus. Beautiful fish. We've got a tiger. It's not massive, but we've got one. Woo! Finally. You. Nice, nice. Woohoo! Never been so happy about a fish. Good morning, guys. When people talk about this being a fish of 1,000 casts, honestly it's felt like about 10,000. It's not the biggest, but wow, such a beauty little fish. So happy to finally caught a tiger. We have come closer than you can imagine. We finally got one. Now it's time to get some bigger ones. Get in. Yeah, is it not? Am I not in the shadow?
No.
Okay, second tiger of the morning. last day action, slightly bigger, but beautiful body shape. Oh, very, very happy. Look at the little gnashes on those. Not too bad. Okay guys, so the vision with Waterside Retreat was to create like a green oasis with specimen fish of multi-species. So we have stunning big carp, we've got amazing tigerfish, which are quite elusive to catch if they're not biting, that's for sure. But we have huge tilapia as well. And when I say huge, we've literally stocked tilapia over 7 kilos. So families, any level of anglers can come through and just have a wonderful sort of holiday here. We've got this fantastic dam little fishing pond at the accommodation. So there's 3 ensuite bedrooms and a shared kitchen and living room area. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful place. So come on through to Waterside Retreat in Mozambique and catch a fish of your dreams, guys.
How's it, Dave?
Woof. I'm into a very nice tiger here. Let's just get it in the net. Come on, you little beauty. Come on, Machina. You. That's some power. That's some power. Okay, net.
Your net, Joe, net, Joe.
Please.
Yo!
Yo, look at that piece. Get it in the net. We're in.
In the net!
We are in the net with another tiger, guys. Dave, man.
Yes,
epic.
man. That's
See?
a fish. That's a fish.
There
now
we
we're
go,
talking.
guys. Tigers in Mozambique. Check it out. Yo! Just see.
Hey, that's a fish, dude. Lads,
There
that's
we
a
go.
fish. Shit, I haven't got any pliers.
Okay, luckily we have pliers.
Dr. Doolittle pliers.
We have pliers. There we go. Just watch your hands. You can get the lip grip here. It's fine.
There's a bit in the net there. Hold on.
Okay, here we go. Okay, that's that. Solid hookup. Jeez, like it. Okay, there you go.
I'm just going to hold it normally.
You good like that?
Yeah.
Guys, check that teeth quickly. Check that.
How's
teeth.
that for a beautiful
Yo.
tiger fish
Okay,
from
I'm letting
Waterside
it go.
Retreat in Mozambique? We've worked hard for this, guys, but what a beauty. Look at the teeth on that. Look at the gnashes. That's a fish we're talking about. Get in.
The water is still walking.
Hi, Bravi.
Alright guys, so we're back here at Maputo at the airport, flying back home after a very awesome trip here in Mozambique. So hey guys, there we go, on our way back home. Bravi, what you say?
Yo! Hey guys. So we checking in our bags, coming back home after a crazy, phenomenal trip. Keep you updated. Well, I guess if you're seeing this, you are updated. So ja, kom ons gaan huis toe. Ja.